Guten Tag. My car is out of window washer fluid, summer fluid, and I'm going to an area where soon there will be some ice, and it's already the end of October. So I don't know about you, but for me it's time to top up the window washer fluid and also make sure it's anti-freeze. And I thought, why not try something new from my favorite Italian brand Ma-Fra, which is over 50 years old. So a very nice established brand in the car detailing industry, and they have this Tergy Winter. Let me know if I pronounce it correctly. And I've looked up the translation, what it says. You can see it's up to -10 frost protection. And also what it does, it makes sure that there are no smears on the window. It removes traffic film, keeps the rubber smooth, and overall has a really good protection for over the winter. But one of its unique selling points is that this one removes the limestone, the caulk, from the tubes of your window washer fluid installation. And over time, maybe you've noticed that sometimes it gets a bit clogged and it doesn't spray as good anymore. And this one supposedly will clean your tubes and make sure that they stay open and that they can spray good. Sounds good. I also from time to time need to have my tubes cleaned. Everybody needs that from time to time. And I think this is nice to try. The whole bottle, 1 liter, costed only €3 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. So let's give it a try and see how it pours and what it smells like. Here we go, los geht's. So I've opened up this Ma-Fra Tergy -10. Pronto al uso, ready for use. My Italian is so good. It's just spectacular. I've opened it up. It smells like a dishwasher soap. I mean, not unpleasant, but that's the first thing that comes to mind. Hand wash soap. I wouldn't say it's an unpleasant smell, especially for the winter. But it also has quite a strong smell like alcohol. Really like rakia. Let me know if you've been to Serbia, Bulgaria. And in Serbia and Bulgaria you have rakia, this very nice strong liquor from grapes, plums or pear. That's what it smells like. So if you're into that and you like Eastern Europe, this Ma-Fra Tergy -10 is for you. Now let's pour it in the container here. I really like this blue color. So it's 1 liter. I'm going to try to pour everything in the hole where it's supposed to be. So, sehr schön. Or molto bene, I should say. And 1 liter. Oh, verdammt. Almost this piece of plastic ring went in. Luckily not. 1 liter for €3 is not a bad price, I would say. Now let's spray it and see what it looks like on the window and whether you can still smell it. So we're back in the car. Now let's put this Ma-Fra to work. I have drained all the summer window washer fluid. And now I'll insert here the Ma-Fra. I can see that it's turning blue, so it's coming. And I mean, what I can say, it cleans the windows well. Let's try on the air vents if I smell it. I do smell it a little bit in the car, but not a lot. So I would say the smell is not like some of the cheap washer fluid that you can buy at the gas station or in a supermarket where your whole car smells like alcohol. On the contrary, it smells rather pleasant. Very little I smell it. So, and it cleans the windows spotless. Not much I can say. I cannot validate the claim whether it declogs the pipes from limestone and caulk, because this is a fairly new car. But let me know if you've used it. And whether you've noticed the difference. I find it nice to try something new, and it has these nice extra capabilities for €3 from an A brand like Ma-Fra. I think it's a really good deal. I'll keep you updated how it performs in the winter. Hope you found it useful, and I'm wishing you safe, fantastic winter driving. Auf Wiedersehen.